I'm happy to introduce the MINI PAK'R V3. We all know the MINI PAK'Rs that we had the last 20 years with more than 10,000 happy customers. But now with the MINI PAK'R V3, we go into a new era of innovation and sustainability. So the most important thing on the MINI PAK'R V3 is that it enables our customers to ship a product from A to B without being damaged. The second thing that we want to do is to make sure that the products are packed in a sustainable way, and that's where the MINI PAK'R V3 comes in. So with the new sealing mechanism, we can down gauge our products, but also we can incorporate recycled content or other kinds of content. As the MINI PAK'R V3 has a small footprint and is very light and easy to integrate, we can offer decentralized packing situations at our customers. So that means a packing situation in where packers do not need to be close to each other, enabling social distancing. So with the MINI PAK'R V3, we are really happy to go into the future. We will be able to provide you with the latest technology in sustainable films, but also we are there to keep helping you finding the best packing situations, integrations for your environment and your product.